Most people, when they think of Tivat, they think of Porto, Montenegro, and it's hardly surprising when you've got the Regent Hotel, Ciro, you've got the brand new Boca Place shopping centre here, jetty one with its super yachts, amazing restaurants like Jamie Oliver's. But there's a town around Porto Montenegro called Tivat, of course, and there's a little area on the hillside called Tripovići. It's fantastic. We've actually got a little stone cottage there. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom house, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, a lovely plot of 880 square meters. It's south facing, so you're looking over the Island of Flowers and Sveti Marko Island. 15 minutes walk from here. Let's take a look. So welcome to the house. I'm in the garden at the moment. As you can see, we're surrounded with mature trees. There's 8 mature olive trees. There's a couple of orange trees, a lemon tree and a fig tree, and some other obviously mature trees and plants here. Got these amazing views here, just looking over here over Tivat Bay and Luxury Peninsula here. You can see the golf course there in the distance, Sveti Marko Island. And this place is great. It's not only good for the daytime, it's also great at night. The owner is actually an ex-club owner, so he's got to set it up with kind of like lights in all the trees. There's speakers outside. There's a nice kind of bar area over here. You know, you can set up the decks and play some music and it's a great kind of party place. And just over here, you can't see it at the moment, but there's an area here of about another 100 square meters, which is going to be used for the pool later on. So you can put a really nice swimming pool over here. And then you've got this nature here. You've got the nature and then straight onto the sea. It looks fantastic. So let's walk you through and then we'll take you inside the house. So from inside the house, you've got this lovely open plan area. It's kind of an L shape here. Beautiful kitchen. One thing you notice throughout the place, the colors really harmonize. So you've got these lovely natural tones of the natural stone on the kitchen island here, on the walls. Leads you here into this amazing dining room. It's absolutely fantastic. So you've got glazing on 3 sides and it leads open to the kitchen on this side here. Fantastic views here of the bay, and then you have the sliding doors which leads you out onto the terrace. Of course, leading you into this room here, it's the living room, sliding doors onto the terrace. You've got the aircon as well. Again, this natural stone on the wall and the natural colors here. And also on this level, you have an office area, which leads out to the barbecue area, the bar area, and there's a 4th bedroom and bathroom just at the back. Okay, let's go upstairs now. So here we are on the top floor. We start off with the utility space. It's great. You've got your own separate room here. It's the size of a kitchen, a lot of people's kitchens. So you've got the washer dryer, got a nice worktop, sink, lots and lots of storage space and somewhere to put your vacuum cleaner and brushes and things like that. As I mentioned, it's 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, all ensuite. This is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. So this one's ensuite. I like how it has this little kind of area here, which is like a walk-in wardrobe area, plus the ensuite and then the bedroom. And then you have the 2 front-facing bedrooms, which are great. They share a big balcony. This one here is, again, nicely done here, lots of wardrobe space. Let's take you through to the master bedroom. So one thing I love about this space here, it's very, very calm. Although my watch isn't. You have the aircon here, you've got the fan on the ceiling. Nice big bathroom here in the ensuite, which includes a full-size bath and a lovely big kind of shower with obviously the handheld shower and the rain shower as well. So here we are on the main terrace of the master bedroom. It's actually kind of shared with the other bedroom as well, which is forward facing, but this is a nice area. It's covered, you've got the lighting, you've got the fan here, and you've got this amazing kind of view which really wraps around you. Towards the north you have Herceg-Novi, and towards the south you have Budvar, and you can even see Lovchen Mountain as well. It's beautiful. You've got this kind of area here just by Sveti Marko Island with all the yachts hanging out on the kind of leeward side of the island. And it's a cool place just to sit. Yeah, it's a nice quirky little bits here. This is an old shutter from an older house here. It's just nice. Yeah, it's kind of really calm. As I mentioned, we've got the cottage, which is literally right next door to here. This is a very special area, Tripovići. It's a quiet area, 15 minutes walk into Tivat, Porto, Montenegro, and sort of 10-minute drive to the airport. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it this far. So please like and subscribe as always. Make a comment, that's even nicer. If you want to get more details, the description will be in the description below. And that's it. Thanks for watching.